Hey new talates! In today's video, I'll be doing the no talking challenge. I am Casey. Okay, so basically there was no bag spawn because there was an exploiter. But I didn't know that at that time. Oh my spleef, I have bad trauma from this. I was about to reset, but the game ended. All of our bodies. Well, anyways, we won, so yay. I decided to Wi-Fi glitch to interact with the other team. Spoiler, they did not care. Anyways, they voted Destin. Honestly, paintball isn't that great. Now watch me clock Libby. Anyways, I died third last. Another win. Later on, Stacy compliments me. Ouch. Close-up of my glossy face. This is when I found out Big O was exploiting. Next was Pond Pier. Got third. Nitrogen monoxide. We voted Stacy cause she left. Next it was this challenge. I made sure they saw me so they know I got 4. But we still lost. Big O told us to vote him cause he was leaving. But little did we know. He had the statue. Anyways, it was tie between me and Jen. Thankfully, Cow chose Jen eliminated. It was now time for Lava Dash. Second. Yay, we won. Dizzy was sent to exile. Oops. Anyways, I tried to Wi-Fi glitch over to Dizzy. Well, Tyson got voted out. So basically, I have to try and get first so people can know that I made it. And I succeeded. But we still lost. Sarah was voted, but she got psyched. Honestly, I love bootcamp now. I used to hate it when I was new. Second. Poor Blair and Sarah. Fast forward, we lost and Court was last, but someone left. But it was double elimination. So me and Heath stared at Court. So obviously she was voted. And the other team voted Leanna. And then we had merge. The first merge challenge was math. And I ate. I decided to vote Heath because she was LWK a threat. And she got voted out. Next was block push. Skipping this cause my block was being a bad boy. So Blair won. I forgot who I voted in this round. Me and Blair in sync. Yippee first marsh. Bye Dizzy. Nitrogen monoxide. Holy flop. Yay! Libby left, so we voted her. Yay hill hike! Why am I alone? Free win for me, I guess. Oh, so they got glitched. I let them tie. This was the tie. The aggressive tapping. Blair lost. Yay, final two. I hope it's a challenge. Yay. Watch me eat. YSSS's. Anyways, Tissum for watching. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to eat Nutella. And stay blessed, Toasties.